Hello, there's Loch Tay. It's not why we're here. We've got to go down there, I think, with Mr. Bunny. Let's do this in one take and do the big reveal. I wonder if any of you have figured it out yet. Okay, let's see. I'm hoping it's down here anyway. It's a little vague. Yes, here we are. Check that out. We want to go this way to match up the shot from the movie. Yes, we are here at a swamp. The Monty Python cave with the killer rabbit. How cool is that? Right, we need to get back around this way where it's drier. And down this way. This is fantastic. Wow, hey, there's loads of bunnies. That's why I have brought Mr. Bunny to leave here. We will do that in a minute. He's got red eyes, that one. That's good. Wow. Right, let's go in the cave. So all Monty Python, Holy Grail founds. Okay, it's just somebody. We've got holy hand grenades as well. All sorts. How cool is that? Right, we're going to leave Bunny here with the other bunnies. I think one of these bunnies was dropped off by a YouTuber that I watch. Could be that one, possibly. Right, we've got the hand grenade. I'm going to borrow the holy hand grenade for a minute. We're going to recreate a scene. I think they were probably hiding behind these rocks when they were looking over here. There they go. Let's throw the holy hand grenade. In 3, 1, 2, 5. I mean 3. Boom. Fantastic. Right, I put the grenade back. We've got coconuts as well. Cool. Right, let's see what the other cave looks like inside. One they pretended to go into. I don't know how far I'm going to go in here. Oh. Let's go this way. Oh, the drop in temperature already. Hello. I'm not going to go much further. Not that I think there is much more to see. What a cool place. I'm going to go a little bit in safely. Oh, it's so much cooler in here. There's obviously a cabin down there. Let's go up this way. Oh, wow. That's pretty. Glad I came in here now. This was a tin mine. Oh my word. That goes down. Oh, I can see the bottom, but that's still something. Wow. Only one last thing we've got to do, and that is run away! Run away!